All right, right now what we're going to do is we're going to connect our persistence vision project to the computer. So just make sure that you get the cable plugged into the bottom of your Arduino. Take the other end, plug that into the computer. You'll need to wait for a minute or so if that's the first time plugging this in. There might be a driver that needs to install, so give it a minute. To check to make sure that it's installed, I'm going to just go down here. I can start typing device, and you'll see device manager up here. Click OK. And if you scroll down to where it says ports, what you should see is something that says USB serial CH340. What you're going to want to remember is the COM number here. Mine happens to be COM9. Yours could be any number. So COM9 is what I'm going to remember. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Arduino. So I just start typing Arduino and we'll get that opened up. This is just going to be a blank program that we're going to put in here. You need to make sure that it's set for Tools, Board, and you want to select Arduino Nano. Then you're going to go to Tools, Processor, and select the old bootloader. Then you'll go Tools, Port, and remember the port number was COM9. And then click the play button to see if this uploads. And when it starts to say uploading, you should notice some lights that flash on the POV project on the chip. Okay. If you're successful, it will compile and then it'll upload. So right now it's compiling, as you can see right down here. And then the next step will be upload. Now this program is just a blank program to see whether or not we can upload. So if you get any type of an error message, then you're going to need to get that resolved first. But I was successful. It says it's done uploading. So now you're ready to move on.